Concerns mounting tonight over the coronavirus and the potential of it possibly spreading right here in Maryland. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Vic Carter. Governor Hogan spoke earlier this evening saying 2 Marylanders who recently traveled to China are now being tested for the deadly illness.
And adding to the concern, a California woman has now been diagnosed with the virus, but health officials have no idea how she became infected.
And the worries about coronavirus rattled the markets again today. The Dow posted its worst one-day drop ever, losing nearly 1,200 points. That's more than 4%.
And WJZ is live tonight. Annie Rose Ramos with how the governor says Maryland is now preparing. Annie Rose.
Rick and Vic, the CDC says it's not a question of if, but when the coronavirus will spread to the United States. Governor Hogan confirming today that 2 people who traveled from China to Maryland are now being tested for the coronavirus, and officials say there could be a third.
While we are hoping for the best, we are also actively planning for the worst.
A call to action alerting Maryland to the threat of the coronavirus.
Local schools and daycares should be prepared with contingency plans for potential long-term closures. Local communities and cities should be prepared to modify, postpone, or cancel mass gatherings.
The governor announcing a $10 million emergency fund to help the state prepare and cautioning the public to do the same.
These are the kinds of things that people should start planning for right now.
While there are still no confirmed cases of coronavirus in Maryland, the U.S. now has 15 cases. 14 of them involved either people who traveled to China or who had close contact with an infected patient.
It's scary. That's all I can say. It's scary.
But not everyone is so scared.
I literally don't think about it.
Really?
The flu was so bad this year, I got sick from that. I'm all right, whatever.
Thursday, Vice President Mike Pence met with his coronavirus task force.
As I just got off the phone with Vice President Mike Pence, who is leading the response at the federal level.
As the state readies itself, a message for all Marylanders.
Don't stop washing your hands. Wash your hands frequently. Cover your coughs. If you are sick, please don't come to work. Do not send your children to school.
And officials say they don't want anyone to panic, but they do want people to get informed and prepared. They say that while people in Maryland is at a low level of risk for the coronavirus, that could change at any moment. Reporting live, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.